Cuisinel cast iron skillets set is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking adventures. This set includes 4 skillets of different sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. These pans are like trusty sidekicks in your culinary journey, ready for any cooking challenge. They come pre-seasoned, which means they have a natural, non-stick surface right out of the box. This makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Plus, the set includes 4 silicone grip handle holders. These protect your hands from the heat, so you can handle the hot pans safely and confidently. Cuisinel cast iron skillets set is incredibly versatile. You can use them indoors on your stovetop or in the oven. And because they are made of sturdy cast iron, they are also perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Imagine searing steaks on the grill, baking cornbread over a campfire, or even whipping up a delicious breakfast on an induction cooktop. The cast iron material distributes heat evenly. This helps your food cook thoroughly and prevents hot spots. The bottoms of these skillets are designed for stability. They sit flat on your cooking surface. This ensures consistent results every time you cook. Cuisinel cast iron skillets set offers a natural non-stick surface. This helps food release easily. And it also means you can use less fat when cooking. Cast iron can even add a little bit of iron to your food, which is a nice complement to a healthy diet. These skillets are built to last for years, becoming a beloved part of your kitchen tools. They are easy to care for, and with a little seasoning now and then, they will only get better with age. Forget about flimsy pans that warp or lose their coating. This set is a reliable workhorse for all your cooking needs, and it is a great value for anyone who loves to cook. Pros: 4 pan sizes, good for chefs, includes handle grips, pre-seasoned pans, oven safe. Indoor-outdoor use, works on many tops, great for barbecue, good for fire pit, durable material. Even heat, versatile cooking, lasts for years. Cons: can rust if not cared for, uneven heating possible, rough surface reported, handle can get hot. Takes time to heat up, requires hand washing, food can stick initially, storage can be bulky. Features: 4 pan sizes included, silicone handle grips, pre-seasoned cookware, oven safe for cooking. Use indoors or outdoors, great for grill cooking, works on stovetops too, good for barbecue cooking. Can use on a fire pit, chef quality pans. This Cuisinel cast iron skillet set comes with 4 pans of different sizes: 6, 8, 10, and 12 inches. It also includes 4 silicone handle covers to help you hold the hot pans safely. The cookware is pre-seasoned, which means it's ready to use right away and has a natural non-stick surface. These pans are safe to use in the oven and can be used for cooking both indoors and outdoors, such as on a grill, stovetop, barbecue, or even over a fire pit. They are made to be good quality for cooking all sorts of meals. This Cuisinel cast iron skillet set comes with 4 pre-seasoned pans in different sizes: 6, 8, 10, and 12 inches. And 4 silicone handle holders. These pans are great for chefs and can be used indoors or outdoors on various heat sources like stovetops, grills, BBQs, and even fire pits. Made from durable material, they offer even heating and are versatile for different cooking methods, promising to last for many years. However, they can rust if not properly cared for, might heat unevenly, and some users have noted a rough surface. The handles can get hot, and the pans take some time to heat up, requiring hand washing and potentially causing food to stick initially, also taking up a good amount of storage space.